Hi, I'm here to show you how to use Fresh Pure Water's dispenser. Let's go inside.
First, you'll need a bottle. Any bottle between 1 and 7 gallons will fit. Most folks use either 1, 2, 3, or 5-gallon bottles. To get started, raise or lower the shelf to accommodate your bottle. For alkaline water, line up your bottle under the right-hand spout. Press the button once to turn the water on, and again to turn it off. Next is reverse osmosis. Place your bottle under the left or right spout and lift the corresponding handle. Lower the handle when you are finished. And finally, deionized. Place your bottle under the left-hand spout and raise the middle handle. Just like reverse osmosis, lower the handle to turn the water off. Here's a pro tip: you can fill 2 bottles at the same time.